Chicken parm for dinner.
Oh, excellent, baby. Thank you.
You're welcome.
It looks delicious. Super good.
I haven't even tried it.
It's excellent. I snuck a bite earlier.
Oh.
Very good. What kind of sauce do you use?
This store-bought marinara sauce.
Store-bought. 9 out of 10.
How's the chicken?
Well, the chicken's perfectly cooked. Very moist, very juicy. And it just cuts through like ease. Slices right through. I think the flavoring is perfect as far as the breading, as you call that. With the Parmesan on top. And the herbs on top. I think it's perfect.
Thank you. You want some more chicken?
Oh, I love some more.
Ooh, look at all that mozzarella cheese. There you go.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, you can split it with me if you want.
Wow. That's a big piece. I'll split it with you.
Yeah.